In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Confluence API token if you use scripts, integrations, or third-party tools with Confluence. An API token lets those tools authenticate securely without exposing your password. It's easy to create, and you can control exactly what it can access and for how long. Start by opening your browser and going to startatlassian.com. Sign into your Atlassian account if you aren't already. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click your profile avatar. From the menu that appears, open your account settings. This takes you to your personal Atlassian account dashboard where you manage security and access. At the top of this page, select the Security tab, scroll down until you find the section labeled API Tokens. Here, click Create and Manage API Tokens to go to the dedicated token management area. On this page, select Create API Token with scopes at the top. This option is important because it lets you restrict what the token can do, which is a security best practice. You'll be prompted to add a name for your token. Choose a clear descriptive name that reminds you what it's used for, like Confluence reporting script. Next, select an expiry date. Shorter expirations reduce risk, but pick a time frame that fits your use case so your integration doesn't unexpectedly stop. Click Next to continue. Now choose the app this token will be used with. Select Confluence, so the token is limited to Confluence-related actions. Click Next again, and you'll be asked to select a scope. Scopes define the level of access, such as reading content, writing content, or administrative actions. Always choose the minimum scope your tool needs to function. This principle of least privilege helps keep your workspace safe. Click Next once more, review your choices, and then click Create Token. Atlassian will generate your token and display it one time. Copy the token immediately and store it in a secure place, such as a reputable password manager or your secrets vault. Treat it like a password. Don't share it in chats, emails, or code repositories. If you ever lose it or think it may have been exposed, you can return to the same API tokens page to revoke it and create a new one. It's also a good habit to rotate tokens before they expire to avoid downtime. That's it. You've created a Confluence API token with the right scopes and an expiration that fits your needs. Thanks for watching.